affiliated with the other apparel? You have different stations here, so it's all just you guys. It's one. Got it. So then you work for Barrett Jackson.
I actually work for a contract company. Contracts.
Do you have any jackets?
Yes.
Can we take a look?
Gorgeous. Well, in here we've got some kind of lighter weight stuff, but we've got some beautiful leather jackets and some nylon jackets in some of our bigger locations. Yeah, like at the main south end. Yep. Good colors. Full zip, full hand pockets, keep your hands warm.
What's the price on this?
Zipper garages.
What's the price on this one?
That one. $65 on this. Yep.
Well, I'll make sure I'll bring my wife back and we'll try one on.
The women love them.
You know, I do like it though because it doesn't pinch at the bottom.
Right.
You know, so very nice.
Very super cute. And then for men, we've got some great little layering pieces. We've got lightweight jackets here for men. That's got a great line to it. Kind of comes down the back a little bit. It's a nice taper to it. Perfect weight. Wow, that's a great weight for you. And you can wear a leather jacket.
Of the t-shirts, what are people buying of the t-shirts?
Well, I worked in a couple of the different merchandising stations, and I would say that a lot of the logo stuff, you know, as far as with the picture of the car on it.
The picture of the car sells better than just the logo itself?
It varies.
Varies, yeah.
Yeah, station to station. Typically when people come into this area, they're kind of looking for some more golf-specific stuff. And then the other one is going to be, of course, your people who are looking just for t-shirts, friends, family, themselves.
Are you going to be here all week?
I am.
Okay.
Every
Listen,
single day.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And have a good auction. You know,
You have a great time too. The weather's gorgeous. The people are fun.